Hi, good morning. I am Teacher Bev, your teacher for mathematics for today. Before that, we have our class rules. First, the looky eyes. I want all of you to focus in our discussion. Second, the listening ears. I want all of you to listen carefully in our discussion. Third, zip your lip. Zip your lip if someone is talking here in front or someone is giving an ideas. And lastly, just raise your right hand if you want to answer or do you have any question. Are we clear? Okay, now let's have a drill. You are given a 5 seconds to answer the problem. I will read it first, the problem, and you can answer as fast as you can. I am a 3-digit number. My hundreds digit is 5. My tens digit is 8. And my ones digit is 7. Who am I? Your timer starts now. Time's up. The answer is 587. Very good. Okay, what is our previous lesson? Our previous lesson is comparing numbers and using relation symbols such as less than, greater than, and equals. To test your mastery in comparing number, we have 15,469 and 15,269. Okay, let's start 10,000 digit. They are both 1, which means it is equal. In thousands digit, we have 5. Again, they are equal. Next, in hundreds digit, we have 4 and 2. 4 is bigger than 2, therefore, 15,469 is greater than 15,269. Always remember, the open side of the symbol is facing the larger number, which is 15,469. And the arrowhead is pointing at the smaller number, which is 15,269. Do you know how to skip counting by 10? Okay, let's start skip counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Now let's proceed to skip counting by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. Later, we will encounter those numbers in our discussion. Now for our motivation, we have 2 questions that we need to answer. First, which among the following numbers round to 500? Is it 425 or 485? The answer is 485. Next is, which among the following numbers round to 700? Is it 671 or 643? The answer is 671. Later, we will know why the answer is 671 in our presentation. Those question is related to our objective for today. Round off numbers to the nearest hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. What does rounding off means? Rounding numbers means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. And also, rounding off is used for estimation. The result is not accurate, but it is easier to use. You need to memorize this poem because it is very helpful in our lesson for today. I will read it first. Find your place, look next door, 4 or less just ignore, 5 or more add 1 more. Again, find your place, look next door, 4 or less just ignore, 5 or more add 1 more. Now for our presentation, there are 75,639 population from Municipality of Tupi who are benefiting from the Clean and Green program of the government. Look at the table below and observe how the number 75,639 have been rounded. Okay, let's answer the questions. Number 1. What municipality is benefiting from the Clean and Green program of the government? Okay, it is Municipality of Tupi. Okay, now number 2. Round off 75,639 to the nearest hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. First, round to nearest hundreds. 6 is in the hundreds digit. Next to 6 is 3. 3 is less than 4. We will ignore it and copy 6. Change those numbers to 0 and copy those remaining numbers. Therefore, 75,639 is nearest to 75,600. Next, round to the nearest thousands. 5 is in the thousands digit. Next to 5 is 6. 6 is more than 5. We will add 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Change those numbers in 0 and copy the remaining number. Therefore, 75,639 round to the nearest thousand is 76,000. Now, we will round to the nearest 10,000. 7 is in the 10,000s digit. Next to 7 is 5. So, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Change those numbers to 0. Therefore, 75,639 round to the nearest 10,000 is 80,000. Okay, now another example, round to the nearest hundreds. 4 is in the hundreds digit. Next to 4 is 1. 1 is less than 4. We will ignore it and copy 4. Change those numbers to zeros and those remaining numbers just copy. Therefore, 56,415 round to the nearest hundreds is 56,400. Another example to round to the nearest thousands. 6 is in the thousands digit. Next to 6 is 4, which means ignore it and copy 6. Change those numbers to zeros. Copy the remaining number. Therefore, 56,415 round to the nearest thousand is 56,000. Another example, round to the nearest 10,000. 5 is in the 10,000s digit. Next to 5 is 6. 6 is more than 5, so that we will add 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6 and change those numbers zeros. Now you have a group activity. I will divide you into 4 groups. Each group will be given an answer sheet. You need to complete the table in 5 minutes. Round off numbers to the nearest hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. After that, we will check your activity if it is correct. Let's start now. Time's up. Let's check your output. Generalization. How do we round off numbers? If the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round the number up. If the number you are rounding is followed by 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down. Just ignore and change it to zeros. Did you learn something in our lesson today? Okay, very good. For application, you are given 3 minutes to answer. The following are the population ages 5 to 12 of some barangays in the municipality of Tupi. Round off each population to 1-digit accuracy. For example, 781 rounded to 1-digit accuracy is 800. Your timer starts now. Time's up! Okay, let's answer. Number 1, Barangay Poblacion, we have 5,635. Rounded to 1-digit accuracy is 6,000. Number 2, Barangay Akmunan have 2,045. Rounded to 1-digit accuracy is 2,000. In Barangay Linan, 1,826 rounded to 1-digit accuracy is 2,000. Number 4, Barangay Cablon have 3,904. Rounded to 1-digit accuracy is 4,000. Lastly, in number 5, Barangay Bulul Mala have 2,182. Rounded to 1-digit accuracy is 2,000. For evaluation, you are given 2 minutes to answer those problems. Your timer starts now. Time's up! Okay, let's answer number 1. The whole Philippines have 18,921 workers. Round the numbers to the nearest thousands. Okay, the answer is 19,000. Okay, number 2. Cablon's farm harvested 27,823 kilograms of mangoes. Round the answers to the nearest 10 thousands. The answer is 30,000. In number 3, in poultry farm of Mang Harold, there were 561,247 eggs in 1 week. They were all delivered to different barangays in their municipality. Round the answer to the nearest hundreds. The answer is 561,200. And now copy your assignment. Encircle the numbers that can be rounded to given numbers. Okay, are you done? And now we're done in our discussion. Goodbye! Have a nice day and stay safe. Thank you for listening. Again, I am Teacher Beverly, your teacher for mathematics. Bye!